What's up, guys? I'm Trey Atkinson, and I just got some new parts on my bike. I got these ODI-P series grips in purple, worn out. S&M Perfect 10s. They feel good. Sunday Free Stem in white. Animal headset. DK forks came on my old Helio. I got Shadow rim in the front with the demolition hub, tennis ball installed. I got Colt peg, some other random peg I threw on with demolition guards on both sides. I got a custom painted Verde Lux frame, 21.5 I think, or it's 21, either one. I got a Fiend seat with Colt seat post. We got premium slim pedals with a Redline 28-tooth sprocket and some Shadow Noctis cranks. We got an Odyssey back rim and hub with a Shadow hub guard and a Primo peg. And we got a Shadow half link in black, and here's my hub sound. So that's my bike check for 2014. I hope you guys like it.